Have you ever thought about how to make mustard? It's actually really easy. It's a combination of mustard seeds and a liquid. So I'm going to use some vinegar and some water, and essentially it's all crushed together. So these are just yellow mustard seeds, and I'll add them to the mortar and pestle and crush them to release their natural oils. Now that it's a crumb and quite coarse, I can add some vinegar and a little bit of water. And then to bring it all together, I like to add some olive oil. Now I'm using some good quality Australian extra virgin olive oil. This one's fresh and fruity, which is perfect for my mustard. You know, I think there's this misconception that olive oils that come from Europe taste better, but I tell you what, our Aussie extra virgin olive oils are just delicious and perfect for this mustard. All we need to do is add some salt, and there you go. That is homemade mustard. Look at that gorgeous colour. You can add other flavours to it, but you know what? I just want to taste the distinct flavour of that olive oil through it. Oh, that is so awesome.